What is up, everybody? Today we'll be doing a goose hunt in Hunter Call of the Wild. What you really need is a goose setup, so some decoys. You don't need a dog, but I've got a dog. You need a shotgun with birdshot and a whole lot of birdshot. It's about all you need to have a good time and get a lot of money. It's probably my favorite ways to get a lot of money in Hunter Call of the Wild. So let's get into it. Here we got some geese now. They're coming in. These geese are coming in. They're about to land. I'm gonna wait for them to land and blast away. It hit. I went, got a couple. Heck, this one came right in. Had to shoot it from the hip. Just a nice little female. Gonna have my dog hit my others. Them ones are a little high. But I think we got 3 there. I hit the one twice. I think he still got away. Yeah, them 2 aren't wounded. Here is one of the other geese that I've got. Just another female. Nothing special. My dog, he's gonna go get that 3rd goose. That is the 3rd goose. So yeah, I'll let you know if they got more coming in. We got, looks to be 6 more tundra bean geese coming in. There's 2 different species of geese in this map that I'm hunting. That'd be your Canadian geese and your tundra bean geese. Them appear to be tundra bean geese, and they're coming on in. We have a single bird coming in. I think I'm gonna let him land and let these 6 behind him. Or no, this is one of the 6. I'm gonna let him land. I'm gonna wait for these others to come in. Oh my gosh, it's right there. Oh, well, he spooked. I'm gonna let these others land, and I'm gonna shoot them up. I got 2 in one shot. Hit that one. I missed that one. I'm gonna pull out a 300 Magnum. I'm gonna see if I can just take it down, I guess. I'm trying to lead it a little bit. Not sure quite where to lead on this. Oh, let's see here. I cannot hit this dang thing. We're gonna see one more time, see if I can get this. I got it. I'm gonna go have my dog retrieve. Looks like we have a couple of birds here. Wow, that one looks cool. I don't think I've ever got one like that before. I think that's probably maybe a rare. I don't know. I'll look it up and get back to you. I'll let that one just sit there. But we'll check at this one. Oh, this one's another light gray. Oh wait, no, this one's a brown. Yeah. I'll get back to you and see if that one's a rare. It appeared that one was not a rare. So I need to quick reload and shoot these geese that are landing. These are Canadians. Hit that one bird twice. Dang. Couldn't get it, but let's pick up these birds. Looks kind of rare for it being a light gray, but we'll retrieve, see if there's anything else, and I'll let you know if I got anything else. This is the goose that I shot with the 300 Magnum. Looks like one BB hit it, and then looks like I got it right in the wing. I think this will be a wrap for today's video. Hope you liked it, and like and subscribe.